Let's take a look at the next example here. All right, I'm going to give everybody a few minutes to see if you can tell me what would be the answer to this. How do you simplify this with no negative exponents? I'm going to pause here for a second. Everybody write your answer, and just type your answer in the chat box when you're done. You can type it right where the chat box is, and we're going to compare our answers now. Okay. Okay. Some of you put 9/4, some of you put 4/9, and some of you are not writing any answer. Like, I would like everyone to participate and respond to these questions. I have another 9/4. Alaki, you want to write your answer as well? Okay. Now let's look at the properties again. I have a to the power of n to the power of m. I can use this. I also have this property. I can make this positive. So if I call this property number 1 and property number 2, which property should I use first? Or do you think we should use first?
1.
Number 1, okay. If I use number 1, this would become 3 to the power of, remember the exponent here is 1. If there's no exponents, it means this exponent here is 1. So that would be 3 to the power of 1 times -2 would be -2 over 2 to the power of -2. Everybody okay with this so far? Okay. Now at this point, I can make the exponents positive. So I can bring the 3 down here, make this +2. 2 up here, make this +2. And look what happened here. Originally I had 3/2 to the power of -2. Now I have 2/3 to the power of +2. So I can make a formula out of this. If I have a/b to the power of -n, I can write this as b/a to the power of +n. Does that make sense? Can I use this? Okay, looks like Lucky, you have a question. You raise your hand. What is the question?
Hello?
Yes, go ahead. What's your question?
Can you just flip it in the first place, like without going through this method?
That's what we're saying here now. You mean you just use this property right away, right? Is that what you're saying?
Oh yes, sorry. Yeah.
We can do that, but you have to understand why you can do this though. So if I have a/b to the power of -n, this would be really is a to the power of -n, b to the power of -n. And when I switch them around, you would see that it's reciprocal. So it would be, you're absolutely right. We can write this. If you know this, that's what we can use right away. So if I have 3/2 to the power of -2, I can write this as 2/3 to the power of +2. So this whole thing would be equal to 4/9. So some of you put 9/4, so now you see that answer is not correct. Looks like Carlos, you put 4/9. Marcos, you put 4/9, and so on. Okay. So let me make sure with you okay with this. So can I see a check mark in front of your name if you all can follow this, or we can talk about this now?